This is for the 25-year-olds that are selling, $50,000, $30,000 term life insurance policies and acting like they're in Wolf of Wall Street, posing on their boss's car. I'm not hating, but I've been in the industry long enough to tell you something. When you're poor, which I have been poor, I have been broke before, those term policies are the first thing that the client cancels. Know that because I've canceled a life insurance policy. I'd rather pay for YouTube TV than, $100,000, when I die to cover burial costs and stuff. I'm gonna tell you something. What you need to do is you need to go get your P&C license. You need to get into property and casualty. And you need to go work for a huge conglomerate insurance company like Accusure or Alchemy and find a broker that's killing it. Someone that has a decent book, but they are trying to expand their book year after year after year. Work for him, and you do two things. You learn the business on how to sell and be a broker, but you also learn servicing. And I'm trying to tell you, if you know how to service a policy and a client from A to Z, I'm talking every single action in the service side of it, you will be ahead of 99% of the brokers. You will have the ability to, when you have a client, to answer every single question that he has. And you won't have to pass the buck on to Stacy, the assistant, so she handles endorsements. No, I'll do it. I'll run the endorsement for you. Yeah, I'll email you, let me know when I'm done. Boom. Business owners that are grinding, business owners that are making $5 million or less a year, business owners that are somewhat struggling to sign their payroll checks, they want to know that they have somebody on their team, someone that represents them in the insurance world. It's me and you, boss business owner, against these prick carriers. I'm on your side, which I truly am, because carriers are evil. But that way you can build a book of business that will sustain you. You'll collect a salary and you'll get a little piece of commission. I mean, you never know. You might give him something big and get a fat piece. He might give you a piece every year. He might give you a piece on renewal. And that's the play, man. If you're getting into insurance, personal lines is done, dude. AI needs to wipe that out. I hate personal lines. As a consumer of personal lines, I hate it. I do. And that's the route you need to go. If you want to be in insurance and you want longevity and you want, an angle that's going to make you be independent, it's commercial lines, and it's building a book of business. That's it. And then when you have a book of business, okay, I'm not knocking life insurance. I sell it all the time because my clients come to me and they don't want to deal with a financial advisor, and they say, hey, man, can you find me a UIL deal? It has X, I'm looking for the ones with this rate, blah, 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 blah. And I just take an order and go, yeah, I'll go find it. And I go and send it to my MGA, and he finds it and give it to him, done. And they make good money. They make great money. But when you're dealing with broke people, it's not a guarantee that you're not going to have to get a buyback. And that's no way to live. That's no way to live. You want to live in sales that nothing is real until it is real. For me, real is I see the number in my bank account. That means it's real. Until it gets there, who knows? Yeah, I've had stuff fall off when I thought it was a guarantee, and I had stuff come around after I wrote it off. But young man, please listen to me. If you want to be in insurance, get your P&C license and go be an account admin at some massive conglomerate. Or do something different, because only 1 out of 50 of you are going to be able to sustain a career in life insurance, especially the leads that you're getting. You're getting these people. It's a crapshoot, man. I know. I've made a 200 phone calls a day when I was younger. I get it. I totally get it. I get what you're doing, and I'm trying to tell you, don't do it. Do this. Does that make sense? Good luck, gentlemen. Gen Z, man, I have a special place in my heart for you guys, and I just want to see you guys to succeed. I want you guys to be taking care of the ship, when I'm an old guy. So we need you, and we need you to be above par. Peace.